Now let's see how we can update a record. So let's create a function with the name of update data and create our variable, then assign it out to model. First we have to fetch the data to update it. So to fetch it we can just type find and we will pass the id. So let's go to our database and let's say for example I want to update this record with the id of 21. So in here I will type 21, then I will say item. Now which column I want to update. For example, if I want to update the name, I will just type the name here and after that I will type the updated value. So let's say like updated, and finally there's an item update. That's it. Now let's return a message also. So let's say updated successfully. Okay, let's go and create a route for this. In here, route colon gate update brand controller colon class and my method name. Now let's go to this URL. Enter. We got our message updated successfully. Now open our database and if I refresh, as you guys can see in here my record has been updated and the name has been changed to Nike updated. And if you want to update multiple columns, we can do that also by just passing all the columns in here. So let's update the slug as well. So let's call this Nike updated again and change this again. Now if I go back to the browser, refresh, I get the message, and if I open this, scroll down, I got, as you guys can see, my data has been updated successfully. So this is the one way which we can use to update our record. If you want to directly update, there is also another way by just calling your model, then where pass the column name, sorry, the your condition. So I want to first search based on the id, the one with the id of 21, then I will call the update function, and inside this update function I will pass my column name as a key. So name and the value. So let's fix this. Now the value of the name should be, for example, Nike next update. We can also pass the another column, so slug and Nike the next update. That's it. Now let's go back to browser, refresh. I got updated successfully. Now refresh our database, scroll down. In here, as you guys can see, we have updated our record successfully.